Brothers and sisters, welcome back to the final leaf-off in the semifinals of the Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation Species Smackdown. It's Sister Nature back at it again with our two contenders competing for the championship title of Vegetation Victor. I hope y'all are ready for a root crown crunching, shrubland shaking, floodplain flopping fights. Let's head down to the ring to Adaptation Andy to hear some stats.
Thank you, Sister Nature. Introducing our invasive competitor, introduced originally as an ornamental plant and historically used for stream bank stabilization in salty soils, this noxious weed hides its ecological destructive, salt-accumulated physiology behind its pleasing wispy foliage and dense pink flowers, deceiving anything that may come across it. It's tamarisk, salt cedar, ramosissima. Introducing our native competitor, weighing in with dense, valuable forage that provides for our native fauna throughout the colder months, and historically used for yellow dye, medicinal tea, and chewing gum by the Native Americans. Let's give a warm welcome to our hometown hero, Erica Maria, Rabbitbrush, noxiosa.
Let's have the contenders shake stocks. All right, listen up. This is the final four. So no supplemental irrigation before a seedling establishment. No human-aided seeding dispersal. And certainly no herbicide use. Rabbitbrush, do you understand these rules? Salt Cedar, are you ready? Go back to your corners and good luck. Root them up!
Round 1. With its dense roots, Rabbitbrush prevents any sort of soil erosion in the ring. Tamarisk tries to drop its seeds, but the soil is just too dry for germination. Rabbitbrush comes back with its adaptation to dry upland conditions, knocking Salt Cedar out of the dirt for this first round. Round 2. Kicking off round 2, Salt Cedar takes over with an intense seeding dispersal and vast expansion of growth via deep roots and lateral rhizomes. While Rabbitbrush is able to fight back with established seed bank, there is no chance to outgrow tamarisk in this match, bringing the fight to a tie. Salt Cedar wins. Round 3. Tamarisk comes out quick with a jab by dropping its salty leaves, further salinating the soil and knocking back Rabbitbrush. But wait! Here comes the certified applicator with a chainsaw, using the proper herbicide and technique he successfully knocks out the infestation. Let's hear it for Rabbitbrush, who will be moving on to the championship. Woo!
Thank you for tuning into this week's matchup. Who will defeat the odds at becoming Vegetation Victor? There's only one way to find out in our final championship fight of Species Smackdown, happening next week. We will see you then. Make sure to follow Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation on social media to stay up to date on all things happening in the wetland, and check the links in the description for more information on all of the plants competing.